Namaste students, I JVN Himanshu Suraiya, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Department of Science and Technology. Today I will discuss the JK flip flop. Last day I have discussed about SR flip flop. Today I have discussed JK using of SR. Last day SR latch and SR flip flop also, but today JK flip flop using of SR. How to JK flip flop design, how to create JK flip flop, truth table. Let's see JK flip flop. This is the circuit diagram of the JK flip flop. Here is 4 NAND gate. This is one NAND gate, 1. This is for 2, this is number 3, and next 4 is 4. If we gate number 2 and gate number 4 are just like as an SR flip flop, Last day, here output of the first gate as an input of the gate, second gate, and output of the second gate as an input of the first gate in same as SR latch. And gate 1 and gate 2, how to work? Output of the gate number 2 as an input of the gate number 3. Similarly, output of the gate number 4 as an input in the gate number 1. Here is clock because this is the circuit of the flip flop. Both are the clock as an input, and J and K as an input, gate 1 and gate 2. This is the circuit diagram. How to design circuit diagram? Everybody understand easily? This is the truth table. If clock 0, whatever the input of the J and K, not dependent, because clock always 1, because this is the clock. Output of no change of this output. If clock is 1, for combination 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. First combination is 0 0. First combination is 0 0. First combination of 0 0 implemented in this circuit. If J0 K0, clock is always 1, and what is the input of Q bar and what is the input of Q? If S00, output is Q as an input here, and Q bar as an input here. So this is the S equals to J into Q bar, Q complement. And similarly here R equals to K Q from here, and this is the K. So S equals to JQ bar and K equals to R equals to KQ. If J0 K0, S0 and R0, because S equals to J into Q bar, J0, S equals to 0, K equals to 0, So R equals to 0. Last day, S0, R0, it means no change. It means no change. So J0, K0, output is no change. Previous output, always present. If J0, K1, J0 or K1, J0, it means S0 and R equals to Q bar. R equals to Q bar. If Q bar, let assume Q bar equals to 0, then S0 and R0. It means previous condition, no change. But Q bar equals to 1, so S0, R1, S0 or R1, S0, R1, it means reset. Output will be 0. Output will be 0. Reset. Next case, J1, K0, J1, K0, K0, it means R0, J equals to Q. J equals to Q bar, not Q. J equals to Q bar. Q bar suppose 0. So J equals to 0, K equals to 0, it means S0, R0. S0, R0, no change in same last two case. Same as last two case. But Q bar equals to 1. Q bar equals to 1. S1, R0. If S1 and R0 output is set, output will be set and given as 1. Given as 1. Given as 1. But final case. In final case, both are 1 1. Both are 1 1. S J1 K1. It means S equals to Q and K equals to Q bar. S equals to Q and K equals to Q bar. No. S equals to Q and R equals to Q bar. If let's suppose Q equals to 0, so J 0, then S0 and R equals to 1. S0, R1, it means output is reset. But if Q equals to 1, then S1, R0, it means output is 1. So in one case output is 0, but in another case output is 1. Again output is 0 and 1. This is the toggle. This is the toggle condition. 0, 1, again 0, again 1. This is the toggle condition. It means output is Q and bar, because if input is 1, if output is 1, then next output is always 0. If next output is 0, then another output is 1. So this is the complement of each other. It means toggle. Thank you.